To create customer email notifications in Squarespace, start by opening a web browser and navigating to the Squarespace website. Log into your account. Then click on the account dashboard. From there, select the website you want to set up notifications for. In the website's settings, click on Selling to access options for managing sales and customer interactions. Within the Selling section, click on Selling Tools, then select Customer Notifications. This will take you to a page where you can customize email notifications using an editor. You can edit global email sales, general orders, and point-of-sale notifications, as well as add your own content. The editor allows you to add buttons and other elements to your email notifications, which can be sent to customers who want to receive updates about new offers in your store. Once you've set up your email notifications, you can customize them to fit your needs, and they will be sent automatically to customers who have opted in to receive them.